Welcome to the 13.5-inch pre-seasoned flat bottom wok. Now I was just gifted this black carbon steel wok and there are some things you'll want to know about it. Now to start off with, it has this great handle here to hold on to and this really easy to hold wooden handle. It is super sturdy and it is definitely designed for making fantastic stir fries, but you can also use this for really cooking anything you want, especially quick high heat cooking. Fantastic. You can use it over a barbecue or an open flame or on your stovetop. And one thing I want to point out is that this flat bottom is ideal for modern stovetops. The original rounded wok bottoms were designed for open flames, and that rounded tip could become too hot for modern glass and ceramic stovetops, whereas this flat bottom spreads the heat more evenly, both for the stovetop and for your food. So this is a much better wok for your stovetop, though I would always be careful on how hot you get woks on stovetops. And while it is pre-seasoned, you will want to season it again, which is really as simple as giving it a nice clean wash, drying it out completely, and then rubbing an oil over it and heating it with that oil on it. And then you will want to take extra care of this because it is high carbon steel. It can be prone to rust, so you will want to make sure it stays seasoned and dry between uses. And if your food is sticking on this, that means you didn't season it well enough. So make sure that you do a very good seasoning, especially if you want it to be much more non-stick. I am really excited to use this. I love the reviews that say that this bottom heats up very evenly, and I am ready to make a stir fry. I love how using a wok really elevates a stir fry. It is far better than using a regular fry pan as it allows you to cook at really high heats and you can push the food up the side of the wok as you control what you're cooking. Really, really nice experience with this pan. And if you are looking for a wok, this is a great option.